Hello Reddit! So, some minutes ago I was on my Backfire G2s to do a range test. And guess what? I have the numbers. So, with the G2s they announced 20 kilometers of range. Looks pretty well. But actually, that's not what I got. So, the first numbers that I hear, I used the Runtastic but for bikes, you know. The first numbers I got here was my max speed. I reached 45.7 kilometers per hour. I guess downhill, because it's pretty damn fast. I went 182 meters up and 195 meters down. My average speed was 21.3 kilometers per hour. I put everything in miles and the screen, I guess you saw it already. It was 29 degrees Celsius. Here you have on Fahrenheit. It was really cloudy, as you can see back there. I was riding on the city. It was not a city, I mean, it was not a city. I didn't have to brake and start and brake again and start again. It's more like country. Yeah, it's country. That's the word, I think. Okay, so about the range, I got 17.44 kilometers. Kind of under what they said, but still decent, in my opinion. I get a battery sag like after 12 kilometers. By the way, I'm riding on the 96mm wheels. The first thing you will see with the battery sag is acceleration. It's way worse. Oh, another thing, caution with brakes. I didn't said it before, but I was 56.7 kilograms. Yeah, I know, I'm skinny. So with the gear. Yeah, so what I was saying is that caution with the brakes, because I mean I drifted because I was going downhill and then there was a curve that was going like that, but really hard. I was braking not full but almost full, and at the end, because yeah, behind that curb, that you know, the curb, there was nothing, really nothing. If I fell there, I could have died, probably, and I'm not joking. So what happened is that I was going down. I've seen that I wasn't turning as good as I would like to turn. Is that even a sentence? And so I was bringing harder, and then the skate just did like deja vu thing, and I hit the border of the road, and I just started running. It was really sketchy, I was scared, so take care, don't go too fast. It's dumb, it's cool, but it's dumb, and it's pretty freaking dangerous. If you want some other numbers or anything, just ask in the comments. And sorry for my English, as you can see, I'm not English at all. I'm from Belgium, nothing about English. By the way, I'm preparing a complete review of the Backfire G2s and it will be available on September. Yeah, beginning of September. So I can test it in real life conditions, like going to school and carry it with me, going on stairs, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, see you in September. Oh, and wear a helmet. It's important. Hope it was interesting and see you later, Reddit.